So here we are unboxing our box of skulls.
Okay.
We just purchased 10 replica early hominid skulls, so all your favorites are in here. Peking Man, Lucy, Tong Child, Homo Heidelberg. Thank you. This is why we have a paleontologist doing the unboxing.
An after certificate enclosed. I think I should probably take that off rather than chopping through it.
Yeah. Although it's also a fossil at this point.
There we go. I don't know why, but we might want to keep that. There.
Oh, you never know.
You never know. This is taking longer than I thought. Lots of brown paper.
Oh.
Okay. So, there's the top, and we have lots of boxes. So, packing. Now I'm going to go for one of the big ones. I think I'm going to go for this. Do we see what this says? Well, this is Boisei. Okay.
Boisei.
So this is, I think this is an Australopithecus. So this will be originally from Africa. Or at least the original fossil would have been. Okay.
We got our replicas from bone clones. You can see the logo.
There we go.
Oh.
So, here we go. We have more brown paper. Then we have the item, which I shall take out carefully. Maybe I'll just turn it upside down. There we go. Box. So, some of our ancient pre-humans. And when you look at that, you see them taken out of paper, plastic. Careful. There we go. Boisei, look at that. Look at that.
Ah.
Yeah, see this big ridge he had on the top of his skull?
Mm-hmm.
It's because that's where he had muscles attached that were operating the jaws. Because this guy was probably chomping down on seeds and tough vegetables, so he needed really strong jaws to do that. You see, he had a big, flat, ape-like face and a really, really tiny little brain at the back here. So there we go.
To be or not to be.
Australopithecus Boisei. Perfect.
Excellent.
Great.
We'll do the others later, shall we?
Later, yeah.